Here's how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month using Facebook Reels, and it's not the way that everybody shows you, all right? So I'm going to jump on my screen right now, and you can literally just model exactly what I'm doing. So this is my Facebook profile, and you can see that I've got about 300,000 followers, which is mad, okay? And the reason why I love this strategy so much was because I was stuck on 3,000 followers for about 15 years, and over the last 6 to 8 months, I did something slightly different, mainly using Reels and some posts I'll show you in a second, and all of a sudden it exploded to 300,000 followers. Now, here's the thing that you need to understand about affiliate marketing is that we don't really care so much about how many followers we have, but it's an indication of how much money and leads you're actually making, okay? So the more followers you have, it generally means that you're doing pretty well on that platform, and you're generating leads, and you're probably making sales as well, right? And we've made, tens of thousands of dollars with the followers that we've had on Facebook, right? So this is how I did it, okay? So instead of just coming to your Facebook profile and posting Reels, which is what a lot of people do, what you want to do instead is, first of all, you want to build up your friend base, okay? So you can see right here, I've got a bunch of friends, and the way that I would do this is I would, use your current Facebook account, whatever it is, and I would go out there and add friends. Now, the way that you do that, the quickest way really is to come here and type out different groups, okay? So, it depends on what space you're in. If you're in the dog training space, look for dog groups. If you're in the cooking space, look for cooking groups. If you're in the business space, look for business groups, right? So I might type out something like entrepreneur groups, for example, see what pops up, right? There will be a bunch of them, okay? So I'm going to look for groups right here. And you can see here, okay, entrepreneur startups in my country, and then all over the world too, entrepreneur minds, things like that. I'm going to join this one, and then I'm going to go in. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go straight into the group, the people, and I'm going to add friends, okay? Now, I'm not going to add like 100 a day because Facebook doesn't like that. But what you can do is you can add about 20 to 30 a day, right? It's a little bit slow, but over time it's going to build up, right? And all you do is you just add a friend right there. Over here, I'm going to add a friend right there. And make sure you're counting, okay? So that's 3 right now. This is 4. And I would break it up. Maybe do this once every few hours. Because if you do it too fast, then Facebook is going to flag you, all right? So maybe 20 in the morning, 20 at night, and that's it for the day. Okay, so now we're going to go back to my profile right here. And what's going to happen is over time, you're going to get more and more friends. Now, why is this important? This is important because if you just start posting Reels on your profile, Facebook isn't really going to share it with that many people. They might share it with a couple of people, but the virality really happens when you have people seeing your stuff. Okay, that's what a lot of people don't get about Facebook. You can't just start a brand new account, start making Reels, and then all of a sudden, Facebook's going to share it with everyone. That's not how it works, okay? So if we come to this home tab at the top here, this is basically the feed that you will see, and this happens because you are friends with a bunch of people. So I'm friends with 4,000 whatever plus people, right? So whatever they post here, I'm going to see it pop up here. So it's similar with the Reels, okay? So if these people are uploading Reels every single day, I'm going to see those Reels, right? So the more friends you have, the more chances that other people, your friends, are going to see your Reels. That's why if you have a new account and you only have like 5 friends, your Reels aren't going to go that far. So make sure you add up your friend base first to at least, I would say, a few hundred, a few thousand, okay? It's okay if, they don't know who you are. I mean, this is a social platform, right? So if you like 100 people, about 50% of them will approve your friendship, which is cool, right? So you just want to add friends. Now, where does the strategy now happen? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do not just Reels. So this is a Reel that I did today. This was pretty fun. This is kind of the, the food appearing kind of trend that's going on right now on Instagram, right? So I did this video, and this one's just this was just for fun. This was just for entertainment. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. And what I do is instead of just posting Reels every day, I post a mixture of things. I'll post valuable posts like this that are images for my space. I'm in the business space, right? So you can, follow other people in your space, dog training, weight loss, cooking, cleaning, whatever it is. And the big channels, they will have posts like this. So you can just model it. You can, copy it, save it into a folder, all right? Things like this, right? And then if you're feeling stuck or you're feeling trapped, or I've got some Reels here as well, okay? So I talk about my business, my space, and these are the ones that tend to do well because people like videos, okay? So as long as you're adding lots of value, you're teaching people, you're educating people, that's how you get likes, that's how you get comments, and that's how you get shares, okay? So we want to do this as much as possible. Here's another version of a post that I make. I'll have some sort of headline, and then I post the information in the comment section, so people have to open it up to actually have a look at the comments. You see? That's how this works. Then they go in, they read it. This is a signal to Facebook that this is a good post. People share it, and the more they share it, the more viral that it gets, all right? So it's a combination of not just reels, but it's a combination of static posts, Canva posts, some comments, some posts that have images as well. And again, you can model this from other people inside of your space.
Before you scroll away, I want you to prove me wrong, okay?
Okay, and you know, these videos tend to do quite well. So if I have a look at my reels right here, if I just go back to the top, you can see that over time I posted quite a lot of reels, right? But the reason why these reels do well is because I already have friends that are following me. Okay, and then they share it, they like it, it goes even more viral, and then people come back to your profile after they've seen all these reels, right? And they will basically come to the top of your profile and they'll click on your link. Now, this link is that where you lead people to your capture page to go into your affiliate marketing sales process, right? Please don't leave your affiliate link here to your affiliate product. You don't want to do that because people are just going to bounce off. You want to capture people's emails so that when you go viral and people start to follow you, they see like, oh, what's this person doing? Oh, he helps people to make, you know, $1,000 a day on social media. I'm going to check it out. Then they go into your funnel, you get a lead, you follow up with them with your automation, right? And then you continue to create more content, you build a relationship with them, and your system does all the affiliate selling in the background for you. Now, if you don't know how to do that, I've got a masterclass that shows you how to do that in the comment section, which is free. You can check it out if you want, all right? So this is how I would grow my Facebook channel using Facebook Reels from zero to my first $10,000 a month. It's super powerful, okay? Even though Facebook is a slightly older social platform, it's still very relevant. There are a lot of people on here that are slightly older. They all have money because they're older, right? They've been in the workforce a lot longer. They're not, 15-year-old kids. They're 40, 50, 60, 70, 80-year-old people, adults, right? That have money to spend. So I would use this strategy. It's very good for affiliate marketing if you do it in the way that I taught you right here. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Make sure you subscribe because I always teach you strategies on how to get to your first 6 figures a year with affiliate marketing. And if you want my free masterclass that shows you how to do all of this in detail and build it out, I show you how in the comment section below. See you there.